Batch recursive rendering allows excluding specific elements from the render by placing them into the Ignore collection. This applies to meshes, cameras, and lights. For materials and worlds, the process is different. Let me show you how it works. Expand Ignore Elements menu. Two submenus appear, Ignore Materials and Ignore Worlds. Starting with Materials, the current number of images to export is 16. Expand the Ignore Materials menu. Click on the Select Material button, a pop-up appears listing all materials in the scene. Add the ground material to the Ignore list. The number of images drops to 9. Start the render. The ground material is no longer applied to the cube and torus objects. Now let's take a look at worlds. Expand the Ignore Worlds menu. The number of images to export is currently 2. Click on the Select Worlds button, a pop-up appears listing all the worlds in the scene. Add world_002 to the Ignore list. The number of images drops to 1. Click on the button to remove the world from the list. The number up to 2. That concludes the features related to Ignore Collection, Ignore Materials, and Ignore Worlds. Thanks for watching.